So guys, today we got a hard start kit. We'll go ahead and install this. This is from Tradepro TP-5. We'll go put this on and test what the starting amps are. But first things first, I want to see what the amps are before we put this on. So let's open this up. Okay, so that's what it looks like in here. So let's see. Alright, so it'll be on that one. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this on. Put select, hit inrush, and hit it again, and then we'll set it here. Okay. Okay, we got a delay. Okay, in a minute. Come on. Alright guys, we got 92. So 92.7. Take a picture. Make sure you turn off the breakers before you mess with anything at the condenser. Alright, to be on the safe side, we're going to also turn this off. And then verify that you have no voltage coming through, guys. Good. Good. And also make sure you don't got any 24 volts. Yep. Good to go. Alright, let's see where we can put this bad boy. Install this like this. Let's get a little screw. This should be just fine. So one's gonna go to the Herm side. This one right here. And then one will go to the common. I'm pretty sure this thing's messed up. We'll take that out. We'll turn these back on. Make sure everything looks okay. So we got one side to the common and one side to the Herm. It's out of the way of hitting anything. Let's see our inrush amps. We'll go ahead and lower the thermostat. Alright guys, so we did go ahead and lower the amps from 92.7 I think, and then it went down to 75. So that's 70, 80, 90, about 20, about 18 starting amps. This is an older unit, so it helped a little bit. We'll see how long that lasts on there, but that's pretty much the idea of how you install one of those. You could always install a bigger one. Alright guys, so we already see how the Tradepro TP-5 hard start kit lowered the cranking amps or the starting amps on the compressor. So now we're going to go ahead and try the TP-6 hard start. Alright, so let's see. Take this out. And I already shorted them out. So, take that out. Take this one off. Alright, now let's add the TP-6 on there. This one's supposed to have more torque. And also on these, you'll probably see there has a little C on there, so that's most likely where the common connection goes. Alright, just in case. drill a little hole in here first. There we go. Alright guys, so this one is the common one that shows on there, so we'll put this one over here. So that's that, and this is the other one. Alright, there you go. One is on the common side and then one is on the herm side. Alright, now let's check what the amps are going to be on this one. Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and put this to inrush. There. Okay. There. Turn this on, and then let's lower the AC. Alright, so you see right there, guys. So if you guys remember, the first time we got it, it was at 92. Now we have, with the, it was at 92 with the TP-5, we got it to 75, and then with the TP-6, now we got it down to 64. So that's pretty good. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and take care.